Hey guys, Cameron over at 816 Diesel. Bringing you a cold start walk around video today. In front of me here we've got an 08 Ford F350 1-ton 4x4 Lariat Powerstroke 6.4. Out here in Kansas City today. Oh, it's 60 degrees outside, really nice day. But the truck was pulled out this morning. It's been sitting for a few hours. It has not been driven. That's the cold start we're doing here. It's a big old truck. We got a lot going on. So let's get right into this cold start here. With the miles, 264,131. Truck fires right up, no problems. Go ahead and turn some stuff off real quick here. A lot going on with this truck. It's got a lot of modifications, a lot of stuff done to it. I'm going to try my best to cover it all. If I mess anything up or butcher it, all the info will be correct on my website, 816diesel.com. Truck's got some miles. First and foremost, the engine was fully rebuilt within the last couple of years here. When we got it, we noticed a little bit of head pressure. It did not push coolant or anything, but we decided to have it checked out. Head gaskets had slight failure going on. So the truck got brand new heads, brand new Ford OEM head gaskets, Ford OEM high pressure fuel pump, lifters, push rods, rocker, everything brand new Ford parts. Had a cab off surface. Everything was addressed and taken care of in that service as far as upper engine, motor, anything, ELC coolant. So I've got about $7,000 worth of motor receipts alone for this truck. So it is built to the hilt. It's got a tune on it, EGR, DPF, delete, all the good stuff going on. Pistons are de-lipped on it. So I got pictures of all this stuff and all the work we've done. But that's it. A lot going on with this 6.4. So a lot of the main trouble problems of these 6.4 Powerstrokes is cracking pistons, and this truck has aftermarket de-lit pistons. So a lot of good stuff done to it. Hard loaded with options too. Lariat, it's got an aftermarket Sony Bluetooth double din. All the goodies on it, Pandora, apps, all that stuff. Ice cold AC, heated seats, dual climate control, parking sensors that do work, traction control, power adjustable pedals, 4-wheel drive, power sliding rear window. Works like a dream. 2 sets of cup holders down here. It's got the Husky WeatherTech style floor mats, front and rear, the big old ones. All in all, this is a really nice truck. The only downfall is it's got a few miles on it, and it's got a little bit of rust starting to happen on the outside of the bed. With the exception of that, this is a super clean, straight truck. Tinted windows. I'm just going to try to cover all the modifications while we're inside. It's nice and quiet. We got a construction crew out here working today. So Harley Davidson smoked headlights, smoked cab lights, LED smoked mirror lights, LED third brake, smoked tail lights. Other than that, the truck has a 6-inch rough country 4-link suspension lift with 38 1350 Nitto Mud Grapplers. The 2 in the front are pretty good shape. The 2 in the rear are a little bit cupped. They ride a little rough, make a little noise, but they still got lots of tread on them. So if you want brand new tires, we can throw some 37s on here at a pretty good rate. Just don't be a stranger. Just ask me if you're not happy with the tires that are on it. We're happy to change it for you. We just put a lot of money into the engine on this truck, so we didn't have the budget to go put brand new wheels and tires like we do with everything. But yeah, pretty much it on the inside. Everything works as it should. Nice tunes in it. It's got your aux jack there for factory. Like I said, upfitter switches, OEM trailer brakes right there. Power windows, power mirrors. It's got the power extending and the power folding, and both sides work like they should. Let's go ahead and show you real quick here. They both extend and fold, which is really nice because usually those are messed up. And it does have your home link, so you can put your garage info in right there. And keyless entry, and that's pretty much it. I've covered most of the inside. It's got a console seating for 5. There's a little rough spot here on the console from the driver's elbow. But let's hop out and look around the body and under the hood, see what else we got going on. It's a really nice truck. Don't let the miles scare you. This thing is bad to the bone. It's got a nice ranch hand front bumper on it here. Tried to do this one-handed, it's kind of fun. Well, one of the hood shocks went out. They were working yesterday. Give me a sec here. I can't really hold this up and do a lot, but I'm going to show you what we got going on here. Sinister block-off plates for the EGR delete. Exhaust is factory. They just did a muffler delete on it, so it has the straight pipe section. Get the hood shocks replaced. I did not know they were out. Another cool modification here is we've got pods in the bumper, LED pod fog lights, ranch hand front bumper. Like I said, we smoked the headlights with those Harley Davidson clear corner smoked heads. Cab lights smoked out, mirror lights, LED and smoked out. We serviced the front end, ball joints, tire rods, brake lines, shocks. I'm trying to think what else we've done to this. Brakes, pads and rotors, and a new caliper. All brakes have been fully serviced. Like I said, the tires are big old Nitto Mud Grapplers, 38 1350s. Front two are in good shape, rear two not as good, but not terrible. Looking over the cab, there's not a lot of dings or dents or damage to report. A small little dinger right there. And also, let me give a shout out while we're here to Alex and Dakota over at Precision Diesel Works. These are the gentlemen who did all the work on this truck. And all those Ford factory parts that we did, the OEM gaskets and high pressure pump, all that comes with Ford's warranty, and Precision Diesel Works guarantees their work. So I have all the paperwork for the new buyer on that. Back seat super clean, doesn't even look like it's been used or sat in much. Rockers and cab corners are in great shape. They've got a little bit of, that's actually just dirt on there, honestly. There's no rust on these rockers or cab corners. Truck's out of Tennessee, I believe, so it's further down in the south and not in the rust belt, so you're not going to find this truck to be very rusty at all. As far as the bed rails go, they're in great condition. Minor surface rust starting on them, but they're not crumbled or rotted out completely like typical Midwest trucks that you see. This rear tire, and this one isn't even terrible, honestly. It's just that right rear is pretty crunchy. We got a B&W turnover hitch in there as well, and like I said, the LED third brake's been smoked out. Tailgate got a little scratch in it right there, a couple little scuffs down low there. Nothing terrible though. It is a step tailgate, and we do have sensors on the bumper here. Put it down so you can see. It's got a spray-in bed liner, and it's got the step that drops out of the tailgate. A couple little scratches in the bedside here. That one's pretty decent little scratch there. Not terrible, but it is there. Same story over here. Very minimal rust. A little bit of surface, but nothing crazy. Overall, it's a pretty rust-free truck. This tire, though, you can see this tire is a little bit cupped and chewed up and a little unevenly worn. This one's the worst of them all. And like I said, if you want new 37s, I can get them on there for around $1,000. So, new tires, I'll leave that up to the next purchaser. If they want to go down that road, I'm happy to help you. 8-foot long bed. Cab corner over here, same story, good shape. No rust, no rust, no rot. Sorry, I said that backwards. All in all, guys, really nice truck. Pretty clean for the miles. Very minimal wear and tear as far as rust and damage goes. But the truck does boogie. There's no doubt about that. It is a big, bad mamma jamma that's lifted up to the sky. This truck dwarfs. I mean, I don't know if you get the same feeling that I got here, but here's that truck. Here's a Hummer H2. I mean, it just dwarfs it sitting next to it. Anything you park next to this truck looks tiny. We do have the smoke in the rain visors on it too, which is always a plus. But yeah, all in all, dude, this truck is beautiful, guys. It's not going to be around long. It's a built 6.4 with an engine in it that has upgraded parts. This truck drives like a freight train. It'll pull anything you put behind it. Tons of power. We're located down here in Kansas City at 816 Diesel. If you're interested in this truck, give us a call. 816-298-7030 is my shop number. The best way to get a hold of us is to head over to 816diesel.com. On the website, you're going to find my info, pictures, VIN number, all the info's on the website. Anything I might have messed up in this video, so go check it out first. And if you are interested, or you want to come see the truck, my name's Cameron. Give me a shout, 913-735-3748. Happy to make an appointment or answer any questions you might have. But that's pretty much it, guys. I appreciate your time, and as always, have a great week out there.